Okay, next let's talk about the cheese for both of these pastas. They both have the same cheese, which is Pecorino Romano, which is a sheep's milk cheese. Pecorino meaning sheep, Romano meaning from the Roman region. So this is 100% sheep's milk cheese. So a lot of our lactose intolerant friends can actually have this. And you really do need, again, for any attempt at like an authentic Roman pasta, like you gotta go with the Pecorino. It's a little bit more strongly flavored for sure. It's a little saltier as well. It just has a higher fat content. Like sheep's milk has a much higher fat content than cow's milk does. It crumbles, it grates. I mean, I'm like addicted to it. I absolutely love eating it. And again, like, you know, for real traditional purposes, you'd want to go with this over like Parmigiano Reggiano. This is Fulvi, is a Pecorino Romano DOP. Fulvi actually meaning like strong, so it's even like more of that strong sheep's milk cheese. For this, for the purposes of this, I like to use the box grater where it's almost like this snow. Some of the chunks end up in it. Like, don't worry, that's totally fine. But this is the cheese that we're going to use for both the carbonara and the amatriciana. I'll just demonstrate, you know, just grating the Pecorino Romano on the box grater, and it kind of, like I said, it gives it that almost like, you know, fallen powdery snow. This is exactly what we want, as opposed to like a microplane